Welcome to Prioritize the Planet, a cooperative game where the lack of action can lead to catastrophe. Let's get familiar with the board game and get to know what's in the pack. First, we start with the main board itself, which represents the world. The map is divided by 4 colors, representing 4 different types of pollution. Here we have pollution from fossil fuel energy, livestock industry, fast fashion, and deforestation. We also have pollution cubes, matching the colors on the map. Here we have 4 solution pawns, one solution to match one type of pollution. We have green energy, vegan lifestyle, sustainable fashion, and high biodiversity. These are character pawns and character cards. We have 6 characters and you can choose any. These are action cards, which we'll talk about later. Here we have the pyramids of knowledge. And lastly, we have the cards with city names on them. So now when you know the setup, let's learn how to play the game. We have a lineup of 6 characters who team up to save the world from climate change. They work together to create 4 different solutions and to spread knowledge about climate change. The game starts at Glasgow, where everybody comes for COP26, the UN conference to mitigate climate change, with hundreds of politicians, business leaders, and climate activists. At the start, every player gets 3 city cards. Despite COP26 being an environmental event, it actually broke the world record of CO2 emissions produced. So to find out where those emissions landed, draw 4 random city cards and place 3 pollution cubes on those places. Every player gets 4 different actions every turn. So for example, one action would be go into another city by using the lines between those cities. Or use direct flights to those cities which card you have in your hands. Another action is to draw action card. I know, action to draw an action card. Action cards can be very bad and slower the players. Or they can be very good and help the players. There are only 2 forces to remove pollution cubes: power and knowledge. Only 2 characters can create the pyramids of knowledge. 2 pyramids of knowledge equal 1 pollution cube. Only politician can use power to remove pollution cubes. It's because he has all the money and all the influence, and he doesn't even need to put anything to remove pollution cubes. If the city has already 3 cubes, and it so happens that it receives another pollution cube, it causes the planet's temperature to rise by 1 degree. If that happens, players have to put 1 extra cube on all the connecting cities. If the arrow hits red zone, that means the game is over and the Earth is flooding. If the whole area of one color doesn't have any pollution cubes, that means that the players created the solution. Take the solution pawn and put it on the pollution type of the same color. The players win when all 4 solutions are created. That means the climate change is over and the Earth is safe. So this is it. These are the rules. I hope you enjoy the game. Good luck and prioritize our planet.